Hi, today I'm going to be making for you one of my easiest, best favorite recipes ever. 3 ingredients, you've got cheese, you've got some kind of cereal, and some chopped smoked almonds. So what you're going to do is start with either grating some cheese yourself, or you can buy it pre-shredded, no rules. I even like to use little bits of cheese that I have left over, maybe some smoked Gouda, some sharp cheddar. All you're going to do is put a layer of cheese in the bottom of a skillet, and you don't want it too thick. It's going to melt together, so leave some gaps. And once you've done that, you're going to just give it a sprinkle of chopped nuts, not too many, and then a sprinkle of your cereal. You can use Rice Krispies, that's my favorite, or you can crush up some cornflakes. And if you have both, you know, this is, as I said, this is a great way to use up some ingredients that you might have hanging around your unit at the end of a vacation. So that's it for the first step, and then what you do is you take this, and I'm going to put it on the stove and cook it over medium-low heat until it's all nice and hot and bubbly. So that is my favorite original recipe of this skillet cheese crunch, but I also make another version using shredded Mexican blend cheese. Again, not too much. You don't want it too thick. You want it real thin and crisp. Same thing, chopped smoked almonds are my favorite. And then I'm adding some tortilla chips. Just crush them between your fingers, and instead of the cereal, just add your favorite tortilla chips, either plain, seasoned, no rules. And again, just put that on the stove and cook it real slow until it's nice and golden on the bottom. So here's our finished skillet cheese crunch, absolutely delicious. And here's our Mexican version. So let's give it a try.
Hey friends!
Hello!
You had me at Skillet Crunch. What do we have here?
So here's the original, and here's the Mexican version.
Okay, I keep the original in the house. I buy it at the store, keep that in the house as an adult snack. It's super yummy. I'll spice it up. Let's give this a try.
So easy, really good for you. It's loaded with protein, great to pack for a hike or just keep around the house like you said. Fraction of the cost if you make it versus buying it.
So yummy. Thank you.
You're welcome.